Meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
We are off to a hot start this weekend. The record for today is 91. I do see that being a very close call for the capital city, away from the water, easily into the low to mid 90s, at the coast a little bit cooler. And that is the first item of what we're tracking today. And in case you were wondering about when that high temperature record was set, well, we appreciate the inquiry. It was 1931. Again, the Providence temperature fairly close to that high today. A split Sunday is on the way. Now, we'll be on the warmer side of the split. The reason I'm calling it that is that we have a backdoor cold front moving through. So places like Cape Cod, Boston will be much cooler on Sunday with some cooler breezes out of the east. So keep that in mind if you're heading to the Red Sox game tomorrow. Not worth going to the game for, but just expect temperatures in the 70s instead of close to the 80s and 90s that we're going to see for today. We'll be watching Monday. Now, you're going to hear about Tropical Depression number 2, which could end up being Tropical Storm Bonnie. That is not expected to get very close to southern New England, but we're going to get some moisture out ahead of that storm, which will lead to the potential of periods of heavy rainfall on Monday. But that's the big question mark. Exactly when do these downpours come through? So not totally going to call Monday a washout just yet, but right now it doesn't look great. Now, as we take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12, we had the thunderstorms pushing through Nantucket earlier. Those continue to move to the east. A few showers trying to get going there in northern Connecticut, but no verification that those raindrops even hitting the ground right now. I'm going to fast forward to this afternoon. This is around 4 or 5. A few isolated random showers possible. If these happen, it would be 5 or 10 minutes, and most of us do not see these occur at all. Just not a lot of lift in the atmosphere to really get anything organized going today. Tomorrow is a little bit of a different story. I mentioned that front coming in, and that front will be coming in from this direction from the east. As it sinks to the south, perhaps a shower or thunderstorm, especially for places like Cumberland, northeast Rhode Island, or northern Bristol County, Massachusetts. Most of us stay completely dry tomorrow as well. And then Monday, everybody likely gets in on some of the rain. Looking at some haze in Providence right now, but we also have some blue sky to enjoy. Temperature is 64 degrees, dew points in the upper 50s, so not really that humid out there right now, but you will notice some stickiness in the air today and throughout the weekend with the warm conditions. Newport Harbor, gorgeous view this morning. I believe there's a jogger. Not sure if you can see him down there. Good for you. Nice morning for that, for sure. Temperature already up to 67 in Taunton, 63 New Bedford, 62 Newport, and 65 in Westerly. Winds fairly light for now, but I do see down towards the coast, especially here for Westerly, Narragansett, Newport, Jamestown. You'll get some breezes from the south and southwest around 10 to 15, maybe 20 miles an hour later on this afternoon. We're going to put you in the low category today and tomorrow on the threat tracker, into the medium category on Monday because of the rain. And why is there that rain threat? Well, we have Tropical Depression number 2. This could become Bonnie. This will be an issue here down for the Carolinas. For us, we don't get the center of the storm, but there's going to be some moisture seeping out ahead of that, pushing right into southern New England, which will give us that heavy rainfall potential for Monday. Now today, south coast temperatures upper 70s and then sliding back into the low to mid 70s late afternoon with those breezes coming in from the south and southwest. Hope Valley, you get up to around 85. We get away from Narragansett Bay and the ocean. We're talking low 90s, maybe some mid 90s out there. I don't think 94, 95 is unreasonable for Woonsocket, around 92 in Johnston. With that humidity still sticky, not oppressively humid, but you will notice it out there today. Attleboro, Seekonk, upper 80s to around 90. And then from Westport into Dartmouth, we're in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees for high temperatures. At the beach, I'm sure beach is crowded today. Why not? 77 degrees with the mostly sunny skies. There will be a risk of some isolated showers and thunderstorms overnight. If you are heading to Waterfire, no need to cancel plans, but definitely stay tuned to TJ's Futurecast tonight and take that app with you where you can track the showers on your iPhone. I want to fast forward this map all the way into Sunday just to show you that backdoor cold front in a little more detail. Look what happens at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Providence, Smithfield, mid 80s, upper 60s to just 70 here in Plymouth up through Boston. So just something to keep in mind for Sunday if you're making travels to the Cape. 7-day Futurecast shows Monday, heavy rain at times. Right now it looks like it favors the later part of the day, but at this point we have to put the entire day under the risk of some heavy rain. Don't forget, you can always get an updated Futurecast over on our website at WPRI.com.